What is engineering? And what exactly do engineers do? Hi, I'm Steve from Innovation Academy, and I love engineering. In fact, I enjoyed it so much that I got a PhD in physics, which is a lot like engineering if you're more like MacGyver and less like Einstein. Kind of like me. Our young innovators in the Curious Kids Tech series last year had a lot of questions about engineering, so I thought, let's make a brand new set of engineering classes this year and start off with a map of the whole field of engineering. Young engineers will be learning about the three main branches of engineering: mechanical, electrical, and civil engineering. We'll also cover a couple of engineering specialties like software engineering for all age groups and aeronautical engineering for the middle school and high school students. Your innovators will see all these in just 6 weeks, so they can have an internal map of what an engineer does from a very hands-on set of experiences. At the end of 6 weeks, K4 students and 5/8 students will have this map to guide them as they explore other engineering topics, while the 6 to 12 students will focus on using the knowledge of their main engineering disciplines to make technology. These classes are on Fridays, September 14 through October 19, and we can't wait to see you there. Follow the links in the video or the comments to sign up. And we're going to put this over here. It should be a pretty spectacular boom. Pretty spectacular.